Vicent, bred from a sibling to 1.50 m level horse James Blonde. Vicent was bred from a well-tested half-sister of the international 150 level show jumper James Blonde, ridden by Patrick Lemon. Dam Hevarde was competed in international eventing and represents an all-round dam line, which has already produced multiple international show jumping and eventing horses. From this direct dam line also originates the 150 level horse Happiness. Sire Tangelo von der Zuuthoeve has proven influence in breeding with outstanding offspring such as Dariloo and Tobago Zat. The Grand Prix sport and breeding stallion Quasimodo Zat adds his genes in the second generation.